If Firefox is not responding on Windows, yeah, that usually means the browser is frozen or stuck and won't let you click anything. Don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, wait a few seconds and check if your PC is overloaded. I mean, high CPU or RAM usage can freeze Firefox temporarily. Next, open Task Manager and end all Firefox processes. This forces a full restart of the browser. Now, restart your computer. Yeah, this clears stuck system processes that can cause freezing. Next, close heavy apps like Chrome, Discord, Steam, or download tools. These can steal memory and cause Firefox to hang. If it still happens, start Firefox in safe mode and disable extensions. I mean, bad add-ons often cause freezing issues. Now clear Firefox cache and temporary data. Yeah, corrupted cache can cause the browser to stop responding. Next, disable hardware acceleration. GPU conflicts can sometimes freeze Firefox completely. Make sure Firefox is updated to the latest version. I mean, updates often fix freezing and stability issues. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Firefox. Yeah, this fixes corrupted files causing the not responding issue. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Firefox from not responding and make it stable again.